What's up guys, this is Nishant, and in this video session we are going to learn about the concept of loops in C++ programming language. So first we have to understand that what is loops. It's quite simple that suppose if you want to repeat the same process over and over again, for that purpose we have to use the concept of loops. Like suppose I need to print something, like suppose here I need to print like hello world. This message I need to print on the output screen. But if someone asks you to that you have to print hello world 10 times, so it's quite different that how can we write that. So there are different two types of methods you can do the programming hello words 10 times. How can we print that? So one thing that you have to copy and you have to paste like this 10 times. You have to do like this. So if you will execute this program, so you can see that 5 times. Suppose I need to print 5 times hello world, so again and again I need to write cout. So it becomes very complicated programming. So how can we reduce the code? So here I am repeating same thing that I have to print hello world 5 times. So for that purpose I need to use the concept of loops. Means if you want to repeat the same process over and over again, means I have to print hello world 5 times. So how can we do that with the concept of loops? See, we have 3 different types of loops in C++ programming language. First one is while loop. Second one is do while loop. Third one is for loop. So 3 types of loops we have in C++ programming. So first, in this video session we are going to learn only about while loop and what would be the syntax of the while loop, what would be the flow of execution of while loop. Each and everything we will see practically, so you will get a better understand about the concept of loops. So like suppose we are going to declare one variable x and the value of x is 1. So now here I am writing while, and inside the bracket we are writing some condition like this, and this is the curly braces. This is the block we have created for the while. So here you can see that we have declared x, we have initialized x with 1. Now it will check the condition over here inside the while. So condition is x is less than equals to 10, so condition is true. So you can see that x is 1, so obviously 1 is less than 10. So if this condition is true, so whatever you want to print inside this block, that part would be going to execute. So here suppose I need to print hello world like this, and end line is used to break the line. And here one more thing you need to do, that is increment operator you have to use, that is x++. So what is x++? X++ means that increment by 1, means whatever the value of x, that value would be increased by 1. Like here you can see that x is 1 and it will check the condition, so condition is true, so you will get this message. After that the value of x would be increased by 1, so now x becomes 2, and again it will come over here now because x now becomes 2, so it will check with the help of 2. So 2 is again less than 10, so again condition is true, and again you will get this message. Second times hello world will be printed on the screen, and now x becomes 3. Again it will come up and again it will check the condition, and condition is true. So this is the cycle, go on unless and until the condition will false. So here you can see that on the last, if you will see that on the 10th times hello world would be printed on the output screen, then the value of x becomes 11, and now it will go up and it will check the condition, but this time x becomes 11, so condition is not true, so this condition is false now. So now it will not go inside this block and program will be terminated here only. So it's quite easy that you will get 10 times hello world. You can see that. Suppose I need to print the same message 20 times, so just you need to change here 20, so it will go on this message till 20 times. If I will execute this program, so you will get the message. Here you can see that 20 times hello world it will be printing on the output screen. So this is the way, means if you, it's a quite simple concept that suppose if you want to repeat the same process over and over again, for that purpose we have to use the while loop, do while loop, and for loop, but here we are learning while loop. So here we are just printing the message, but suppose I need to perform some mathematical calculations like numbering. I need to print how can you print the tables with the help of loops. All the programs I will do in this session only. So here, suppose here I have written x is less than equals to 10. So, and instead of printing hello world, I'm only printing x. So now what would be the output? So you can see that step by step you have to follow. Like here declaration has been done, initialization has been done. Now it will check the condition. So condition is true. So it will come inside this block and it will print the x. So now we have x is 1, so it will print 1, and x plus plus means x becomes 2. It will go up, again check the condition, condition is true, so you will get 2, again 3, it will go up, condition is again 3, so you will get 3, like this. So here if I will execute this program, so you can see the output like 1 2 3 4 2 1 to 10, you can get the output like this. So this is quite easy that with the help of while loop, means how can you print the numbering systems and how can we print the tables. It becomes very easy if you are using the concept of loops. Like suppose here we are getting the output like 1 to 10, but I need to increment the value by 2. Like I do not want 2, like I need to print like 1 3 5 7 9, like this. Means I have to print, but here x plus plus means increment by 1, but I need to increment the value of x by 2. So how can we do that? So here we have to write like x plus equals to 2. It means what? It will print here, if first it will check the condition is true, you will get the x, that is 1. But here x plus equals to 2 means what? It will print, it will increase the value by 2. So now x becomes 3, and now it will go up, and now x is 3, so again condition is true, so here it will print 3. Now again, because of x plus equals to 2, now it becomes 5, and again it will go up, and this cycle will go on. And now if you execute this program, so you can see that 1 3 5 7 9, like this. So this is the concept, how can you increment or how can you increase the value of x by 1. If you want to increment the value of x by 1, then you have to write x plus plus, it's quite simple. But if you want to increment the value of x by 2, then you have to write this by 3, like this, like this. So you can write the code like this. Suppose here I'm going to increment the value of x by 4, so you can see the output like this. Okay, so it's quite simple concepts that how can use the loops concepts. But one more thing you have to understand, that here suppose x equals to 1, so first it will check the condition. If condition is true, then and then only you will get all this message on the output screen. But here suppose I'm writing 19, so you can see that x is 19, so it will check the condition, but condition is not true, so now we are not going to get any output on the screen. So here you can see that it will show you empty screen on the output. So here first, in while loop, always it will first check the condition, and if this condition is true, then and then only you will get this message on the output screen. So I hope that this concept would be clear to you, and in the next session we will discuss about how can we use the concept of do while loop and for loop in the next session. So thank you so much guys for your time.